Hi guys, here is Pankaj this side. And welcome to my new review video on LocalAgencyBox. Basically LocalAgencyBox Reloaded is the first of its kind done-for-you consultancy package on JVZoo that helps you start a six-figure consultancy business in minutes. And today I will clear you the why you should use this software, how it works and is it really worth it. This is big because get everything you need to start and scale your consultancy business in 12 hottest selling niches, accessible from a single dashboard. You can register for the live demo to see it all in action. And if you're interested in this software, then please check video description link, where I will give you my exclusive bonuses absolutely free with this software. And most important, I'll explain everything about its OTO'S prices and its features that you'll get in this software. So let's start from its front-end prices. So front-end price of this software is LocalAgencyBox Reloaded, that is available in $37. In this price, you'll get 12 done-for-you digital consultancy marketing kits for 12 niches, agency accelerator training, drop servicing and agency arbitrage, Skype product group mentorship, success flyover weekly internet business and client attraction trainings, weekly live coaching sessions on Zoom for 52 weeks, exclusive launch bonuses. And next upsell one is Local Video Kit Reloaded, and that is available in $47. We all know that a minute of video is worth 1.8 million words. So we're giving your buyers 1.8 million words of personalized, persuasive video commercials for each agency. That is a total of 12 DFY explainer videos, ready to upload on YouTube, their website, or play it for their offline client during their meeting. With this, clients will have absolutely no doubt of their professionalism and commitment to their business. And guys, next one upsell 2 is Client Finder, available in $47. A bundle of top-class software you can use to deliver the services. 20+ Premi Client Find AI is a breakthrough app that automatically finds laser-targeted buyer leads in profitable niches using AI-assisted deep search in just 45 seconds flat. And important things is, deep search and filtering options include these features like location and niche of businesses, their online reviews, Google My Business status, FB and Google Ad pixels on their website and domain details, search and find ultra-targeted leads, emails and phone number, using our advanced algorithm. And next upsell 3 is Marketing Blocks AI, an all-in-one AI-powered platform that creates landing pages, logos, videos, banners, ads, marketing copy, emails, voiceovers, and much more in minutes from just a keyword. And upsell 4 is Local Agency Apps, and these available in $197, $147. And get reseller rights to 5 high-quality software apps with professionally designed sales pages, and start making sales, and you sell them to local businesses and keep 100% of the profit. So guys, I hope you understood everything I told. If you have any query regarding of this software, then please comment below. I'll respond you. So let's move ahead guys, and upsell 5 is LocalAgencyBox Reseller and White Label $97, $197. Resell LocalAgencyBox and keep 100% of the profit. Easy way to make money selling software products. Let me tell you a little bit about these DFY templates. And these are ready-made websites. Your website is already filled with all the content you need, specifically designed to turn leads into clients. Just customize it as per your requirements and get started right away. And next DFY is professionally developed proposals. In this DFY just present our persuasive PowerPoint presentations, loaded with professionally designed graphics and statistics, to your prospect. Next one is print-ready commercial graphics templates. We have created a set of fully editable graphic templates for you, to get your name out there as professionally as possible. Gorgeous and high-quality designs created for you by their team of experts. And next DFY is highly optimized cold call email sequence. In this, you can simply copy and paste this created to convert email sequence into your favorite autoresponder service provider, to deliver to any on-the-fence leads or cold leads you've collected. Next DFY is Pimp to Sell telemarketing scripts. Use these step-by-step scripts to effectively warm up your prospects for your services for a final discussion about pricing and method of delivery, and convince them to hand over their money to you. Next one is Stunning Facebook Ads Creative. You can use these to run Facebook ads targeted at other businesses, and get clients that will pay you for these services. And last is attorney-drawn customizable legal contracts. Use these for written terms and requirements of each project that you accept, and when you get access today, you also get access to these special bonuses. First is Agency Accelerator training to help you generate leads for your new agency and close clients. Next one is Drop Servicing and Agency Arbitrage Services, where they connect you to awesome freelancers they have personally worked with, who deliver all these services for less than $50. And you get Success Flyover weekly internet business and client attraction training for 52 weeks. And this is insane, guys, because 52 weeks means 1 year training they'll give you. So you get more clients for your business. And weekly live coaching sessions on Zoom for 52 weeks and more. An offer like this doesn't come around often, so get in while you can. Besides, you can make your investment back probably in the first few hours.
So guys, click first description link to get access to LocalAgencyBox Reloaded, and with this software I will give you my special extra high quality bonuses. So hurry up, the doors open for a limited time only, and the early bird discount will be gone in the next few hours. And demo video available on its official site, so you can check out, in description of this video. And get software with my 100% high quality bonuses. See you guys, thanks for watching till the end.